What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we are going to put some paint on the Maxima already. So I'm in my super Honda helmet right now and I'm ready to go to Martin's body shop. We're going to have a look to the first step of painting on the Furious Maxima. So without further ado, let's go on the road and let's go see the Maxima. So right now I'm at the shop, as you can see, and I'm ready to leave. So automatic, save the manual. I know. Let's go. And we are going to see the Maxima in about, let's say 30 minutes if the roads are good, but it's actually snowy outside, so we'll see. So let's go on the road and we'll see the Maxima in 3, 2, 1. And here we are at Martin's place. So we are going to get out of the car and go see the Maxima. Let's go. Okay, let's go inside. Bonjour, bonjour. Okay, so we are at the body shop right now. As you can see, the Maxima is right over there. They are doing the paint prep on the car. And as you can see, there is an S14. I'm going to put our name, our Instagram handle at the bottom of the screen if you want to check our project. This car is going to be sick. But here's the Maxima. So we are going to paint all the door jambs. The hood we still need to send the hood to the hot rod shop who's going to do the louvers. As you can see, here's the exit for the exhaust. It's going to be cool. They are starting to paint all the door jambs into the panels. The doors are in the paint booth. The Maxima is right behind me, and I'm going to show you some stuff. As you can see, right over here, we got the rear side skirts, and we've got a bunch of parts of the Maxima right over here. So this was the paint prep for the Maxima. I'm super excited. You will see it, or you probably saw it in the video. Just the door jamb alone, to see the paint, it's phenomenal. So I'm going to jump in the Super Element. So here we go in the Super Element. So guys, I really hope you enjoy this video. Honestly, the car is coming together. It's super exciting to see. Every time I'm building a replica, the best moment is when I see the first coat of paint, the first layer of paint on the car. And this is what really drives me to even build another one and another one, and so on and so on. So in this video, we took the time to show you the process, the preparation of the paint. But in the next one, you're going to see the whole thing getting painted completely, the exterior of the car. I think this is going to be the first video of the birth of the Furious Maximus. Anyway, nonetheless, it's gonna be awesome. You saw the paint already on the door jambs and everything. It looks phenomenal. Now we are getting ready for the big thing, the whole paint job on the car. I'm super excited about this. Plus, we are still waiting to receive the exhaust for the car. There's going to be a MagnaFlow exhaust, and then we're going to customize the end of the exhaust to put the exit through the side quarter, well, the quarter panel. And also, we are waiting for our coilovers, custom coilovers from Fortune Auto, and we're going to put that on the car, test out the new wheel. Once the wheel are going to be fitted on the car, we are going to bring the wheel to Jordan at Wheels Garage. He's going to refurbish the whole wheels, and then I think we are going to be ready to reinstall the wheel with the brand new Toyo tire. Anyway, I mean, it's super exciting. It's the first time I really take my time building a car, because in the past you saw the Jetta, you saw the Eclipse. We were always running against the clock. This time it's different. So with that being said, I think it's time to wrap up this video and to ask you to please like the video if you liked it, and of course subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. I realize that a lot of you are actually watching the video but you're not subscribed. Please, it only takes like a second and it means the world to me. And also, if you want to see some footage of the car being made, some behind the scenes and stuff like that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of stuff, Fast and Furious stuff, and also some stuff about the Boost Blue project, which is my Civic Type R. If you want to see a little bit more about the Civic Type R, please click around here. There's going to be something around here, and you'll see the process and the progress so far on the Civic Type R. So it was a pleasure as always, and I see you in the next video while we are going to paint the car. See ya.